There's so many great health benefits of olive oil. It helps to reduce the effects of diabetes. It protects your bones, improves hair health, rejuvenates the skin, reduces high blood pressure, improves brain function, lowers cholesterol, fights inflammation, and helps to prevent cancer. I love herb infused olive oil. I start off by using a dry sterilized jar that's got a tight fitting lid. I use dried herbs. That helps to minimize any moisture or mold or bacteria that might get into my olive oil. And I use one herb. Sometimes I even use a variety of herbs if I really want to infuse the olive oil with herb scents that I love. And next, for preservative benefits, I'll add a few drops of vitamin E oil or grapefruit seed oil. And lastly, label my jar by putting the date and the ingredients that I use. And then I enjoy my oil. I hope you enjoy making your herb infused olive oil.